Hello, kindergarten. Welcome back from Easter break. We are going to get going with calendar time, and I have something new to add to my calendar board as we go. We are still in the month of April. April is the fourth month of the year. I went ahead and crossed out some of the days that we weren't here for calendar time so that you could see where we were at. So we did not have school Friday. We did not have school Saturday. Sunday was Easter, and we did not have school yesterday on Monday. So this is where we are at today. Today is April 14th. Remember, the number 14 is the number 1 and 4. And I went ahead and put my code date in there. So our code date today is 4/14/2020. It is April 14th. Can you say that with me? April 14th. Remember, the number 14 is a 1 and a 4 together. Yesterday was Monday. So today must be what day, kindergarten? Let's sing our Days of the Week song. It's always important to use our fingers to count so that we remember how many days are in 1 week. Ready? There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There are 7 days in a week, kindergarten. And I thought this was really cool. It is the 150th day of school. We have had 150 days of school. That's a big number. We are going to go ahead and skip ahead to the number of the day. We're going to not do time today because I think you're really going to like my new part of calendar time, and it might take a little bit. So the number of the day is 15. Say that with me. 15. Remember, the number 15 is the number 1 and 5 together. What's kind of fun about the number 15 when we make tally marks is that there are 3 groups of 5. Remember when we counted 5s? 5, 10, 15. So we should know that there are 3 groups of 5, in the number 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 3 sets of those tally marks for the number 15. On our number line, I want you to think about what is one number less than the number 15? What is one number smaller than the number 15? Just one less. Counting down 1 would be the number 14. And it is April 14th today. Now, I want you to think about what number is one number greater than 15. One number bigger or larger than the number 15. 16. 16 is the number 1 and 6. Very good. And in my 10 frames over here, I also showed that the number 15 would fill up one 10 frame and then would fill up half of the other 10 frame. Now this is really interesting because our math lesson today, we talk about finding half of a shape or object, okay? So in your math lesson later today, you are going to be watching a video where I am showing you how to show half of an object. So this is why I think that's interesting, because if you look at our calendar, we are about halfway done with the month of April. Do you see how the part of my calendar that is crossed out and the part of my calendar that is not crossed out, they are almost equal groups? That's what you will be learning about during math time. And if you look at my 10 frame, look at this 10 frame. There will be 2 equal groups of 5. One group has dots and one group does not. But 5 and 5 is 2 equal numbers together. So that is showing half of this rectangle. But in math today, you will be showing half of a rectangle like this. You will draw a line right down the middle, and you will only color in half of the object. But I hope you color it in better than that, because in kindergarten, we fill in the white spots, right? And we stay inside the lines. Now, something else that is fun to work on is money. So this is what I was talking about that is fun. I have 2 coin amounts on my marker board. This amount says 10 cents. How much does this amount say, kindergarten? 15 cents. So I found some fun coins that I think will be helpful to us. Oops. Oop, just dropped it. Do you know what this is, kindergarten? This is the tail end of a dime. We're used to seeing the head side, but it's important that you can know what each side of a coin looks like. So a dime is worth how much? 10 cents. So I can put a dime right under my 10 to show 10 cents, okay? Now my other amount is 15 cents. So here's how I would make 15 cents. I would use a nickel because a nickel is worth 5 cents, and I would use a dime. Here's that head side of the dime. How much is a dime plus a nickel? 10 cents plus 5 cents equals 15 cents. We'll be using these coins a little bit more to give you a better visual, which means something else you can look at to help you learn. Happy first day back.